When a devastating earthquake convulsed Guatemala, Cuny, working freelance, flew his own Cessna from Dallas. More than 25,000 people had been killed. Nearly 1 million were left homeless. He had flown into a scene of utter destruction, bringing with him a big idea. Disaster relief could provide development opportunities for those who were suffering if the local culture and the local economy were taken into account.
When you've got a natural tragedy, by God, use it.
The idea that Fred had, you can go straight into reconstruction. You can distribute corrugated sheeting, you sell it to people to avoid paternalism, and then they can use the sheeting on top of their permanent house. So you set up training programs and you train them how to build safely. And they found good people to teach, and Fred organized the program. And it was breathtaking, really, because he had no precedent to work from. Very exciting.
But he would discover early on that disaster work and politics were inseparable.
Fred felt that his program, which he'd worked up with Oxfam and World Neighbours, had contributed to their vulnerability. They became community leaders in a program which was perceived by the right wing as being political agitation. He felt that people had been trained and had been killed in consequence, and it troubled him very greatly.
We went too far. We were naive.